Hi scholars, this is Mrs. A, and for today, we are moving to Chapter 5, Lesson 1, The People of the Northeast. When we hear the words people of the Northeast, what comes to mind are Native Americans or American Indians as they are also known. What images do you picture when you hear the words Native Americans? And where do most of those images come from? Maybe from movies, from the television, from books or other reading materials, or maybe even from first-hand experiences, because you yourself may be a Native American. Today, we're gonna learn about one of the Native American society who call themselves the Narragansett Society. Let's take a picture walk of the pages we're gonna read today. Page 126. Let's take a look at the map at the top of the page. What city is near Narragansett Bay? Let's look at the picture. What does the photograph on this page show? What can you tell about the Narragansett people? Page 127. Let's read the review statement. Describe how the Narragansett organized their government. What does this suggest about the Narragansett? Look at the pictures. What resources does it appear the Narragansett used to create their homes? Based on the review question and the picture, what do you think you will learn about the Narragansett in this section of the book? Page 128. Examine the Narragansett dancer and take note of the animal skins and feather that make up his outfit. Why might the Narragansett man choose to wear these things? What can you learn about the Narragansett from this picture and from the caption? Page 129. Let's read aloud the section heading. Other Native Americans of the Northeast. Look at the picture. Are these Narragansett people? How does the section heading help you know? As you read, pay attention to the sequence of events in the text. Identify the main events or ideas and the supporting details. These will help you complete the My Lesson Guide worksheet that will be provided by your teacher at the end of the lesson. There's also another link in the Google Classroom about Native Americans. You can click the link to know more about them. After, get your book and you could start reading and taking down notes. Enjoy learning about the Narragansett people and other Native American tribes, and I'll see you on the next lesson. Bye!